I'm Dr. Mark Ashton-Smith, founder of IQ Mindware. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you an introduction to an EQ skill, the feeling of free energy. The key idea is that using our intelligence to solve problems, to comprehend and understand things, to make decisions, all benefits from certain feelings. And the feeling of free energy is one of the most important of these. So today you'll learn about this concept of free energy, and in the following video you'll learn how to use that concept to become smarter. Free energy is a measure of how unpredictable, unexpected or unfamiliar some experience is, given our understanding of the world and our capabilities. Technically, the more improbable an event is, the more free energy there is, as shown in this surprisal function here. So free energy is a violation of what we expect, where something is unlikely, strange, or there's a reality gap between our beliefs and the evidence, or our intentions and the actual outcomes. So how can we feel free energy? We can experience it as puzzlement or bewilderment or surprise when something doesn't make sense. We can experience it as excitement when an unexpected opportunity arises. We can experience it as anguish or anger or frustration when we don't attain a goal we expect. And we can even experience it as chronic stress or anxiety if we're in a general position where we're out of control, lack understanding, or under threat. So why is the feeling of free energy important for IQ? First, because intelligence evolved for effective problem solving. And problems can be defined by free energy. The bigger the problem, the more the free energy. Intelligence is needed when automatic pilot mode is not enough. In other words, when there's some gap in understanding or ability that needs to be overcome. Being smart means being able to reduce free energy efficiently, to close a gap in our understanding, or a gap between intentions and goals. We can only do this if we know it's there in the first place. Training our feelings for free energy is a powerful way of doing this. Second, free energy is critical for the neurobiology of learning and motivation involving midbrain dopamine signaling. Research tells us it's not the reward or punishment in itself that reinforces behaviours, but the gap between the expected value of rewards or punishments and their actual value. This is known as the reward prediction error, another term for free energy. And this is the signal that drives dopamine signaling for strengthening memory traces in learning. So in this video, I've given you an introduction to free energy and the feeling of free energy. In the next video, I'll be giving you some training exercises to improve your feeling for free energy.